Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change currency in Google AdSense. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to google.com/AdSense and you'll be greeted by a website looking something like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your account. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Google AdSense. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Google AdSense videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Google AdSense official website where we have a lot of things going on. On the left side of the screen, we have home, ads, we have sites, privacy and messaging, brand safety, we have report, optimization, policy center, payments, we have account where you can go and check out your account settings, access and authorization inbox, and we have the feedback. Also in the middle of the screen guys, as you can see, you can tell them about yourself, see how ad looks on your site, connect your site to AdSense, and in the top right corner, we have the, as you can see, question mark, which is the help center, we have your notifications, and here we have your accounts, and of course at the end we have the sign out button. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change currency in Google AdSense. First of all, click on Delete Reports, which is on the left side of the screen, as you can see, and then click on Settings. Just a second, what new? Then click on Settings. After that, click on Currency, and that's basically how you can do the settings here, and here you can go and change your currency. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.